Hello, little guy. What's happening? You're a very friendly little guy. Alright. Hello, Mr. Weaker. With a sore leg. What's happening? So, I'm going to be checking out this old sawmill, which is abandoned and busted and broken down now. But I just thought you would like to see some of the photos from when it was still working and running action. So that's one of the old photos of the old sawmill. Some of the workers that worked there. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you what's left of this building in just a moment's time. Right, so I'm here in Karamea and I wanted to show you this old lumber mill that they shut down after they stopped tearing down the old native trees for the logging. So that's quite cool. Check this out. So we're going to have a little bit of a look around and see what we can find in here. It's a bit messy, so I'll show you guys what I'm seeing. Okay, so I just walked from over there. Got some old machinery. That was a door at some point. Just left like heaps of stuff here. Paintbrush. Someone's dumped an old pram here. So yeah, the trucks used to bring it down this track here into this old mill in here. So I'm just going to show you a little bit around. Some old trailers that they've dumped. No, just old machinery and tyres. That's the door that I just showed you. That's unopenable from age. I've got some pretty interesting stuff here. So it's all completely stuffed. So this would have been their old workroom. Like little office-y type storage. You've got some spark plugs and stuff that used to be there. Got some old sensors and stuff like that. So that's pretty out of it. Go back round to the other side and see what we can see. So walking back up this old track, I just showed you through there. I'm going to see if we can get in from around this side. And there's just stuff everywhere that's been dumped. Old bits of shed. Looks like that is bits of shed. Oh yeah, here's an entrance of sorts. No, not an entrance of sorts. We're going to have to go back in the way I came in originally. That's quite cool. Lovely bird. The set. Gosh, I've been walking for a good few hours today. Wow, check that out. We're going to go check out in there. So that was clearly the wheel that used to spin around, and that would have activated this little rolling wheel sort of thing here, and they would have gone round and the wood would have been carried through. So don't be going through old abandoned buildings that look like they're going to fall down. So any risk that I'm taking right now is on my own shoulders. So don't go around just walking into abandoned buildings. It's not wise. Check that out. That's pretty cool. I like that. I've interrupted a bird of some kind, though I cannot make out where it's coming from. There's an old bottle down there. Be worth some money one day. Got plenty of them at home. So it looks like there's some old tracks here. So they would have run little carts through. Oh, it's a blue duck. Cool. Oh yeah, there's the great big saw there. Oh, looks like there was a fire here at some point. I don't know if I can safely make it to the other side of this. Oh yeah, she's solid-ish. Just use these main ones. Oh, shit, nearly fell. Oh yeah, we've got a little swallow nest in here. Some more wheels. This is pretty awesome though, I have to admit. Got a belt over here. See if we can go around. No, it doesn't look like it's going to move under my weight, so that's good. Got another little nest down here. This bird is freaking out. Oh shit, okay, yep. That's rotten. Supporting myself from above. Got a very old school light bulb. But some of these tools, man, like you think that they'd come in and try and save some of this machinery, like just for maybe a oh, look at this. This is an actual in semi-working order little cart. I'll use this to kind of shimmy along. Yeah, she's very soft underfoot. That's a hole underneath me. Use this branch to support my weight. Wow, this is really cool, guys. Yeah, that'll work. Oh. And this is the far side of it. This is a great big punga growing up through the centre. Out of it. And these must have been the old steps heading down. We'll see if they're still in semi-working order. But look at this. Who would just throw this way a couple more swallow nests up there? Gotta love the New Zealand wildlife. Don't know what that is. It looks like poo. Delicious. I nearly touched it. Oh. Right, back on solid ground. So that's good. So I just came from there, and there's the rest of the track that carried the wood through. Little wash basin. Oh no, sorry, this is where they kept all the little tools and things. See if, oh wow, look at that. Now that is old school. Find any safety. There we go, that's a safety first aid pamphlet. There's just debris everywhere. Seeing if I can find anything cool with significance. Can't really see anything that's capturing my eye. But like, look at this, like, look at that. Now that is an old school bottle. Very old school. Oh, that's my ride. Oh wow, look, more case. I don't know what that is, but it's still full of something. Got a set of stairs going up there, which is all collapsed, so we won't go anywhere near there. There's a exit, but we're going to go back out the other way. This is so freaking cool. You would have turned this into some historical kind of site, surely. The old switchboard. Another little nest. These nests are everywhere. Some more wheels up there that rotate everything to push the wood through back in its day. I need to head over this side to get out of here. Oh yeah, there's the steps there. They would have been nice in their day, but we're going to cross them a different way. I'll use this here to support my weight. Light check. Yep, that's going to hold. Oh, that's not going to hold my weight. Right. And a bit of shit here now. Whoa. See that? Collapsing under my weight. Got that above my head, that underneath me, machinery in between. So I've got to just... Oh, that one's rotting away too. Train tracks are always safe. So, abandoned buildings. Use this track, the main supporting beams to kind of safely get ourselves out. So that's pretty cool. Very cool indeed. Ugh. So, that's what happens to old sawmills when they're not in use anymore, I suppose. They just get left to rot. It's an incredible shame in my opinion. It's just debris everywhere. Nothing that really caught my eye though. Yep, that's our video for today. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for whatever I'm up to next time. So I'm going to head on home for a well-deserved rest after my day. And yeah, keep an eye out for abandoned buildings. If there's something you're not brave enough to do and you want me to do, comment. I'll do it. Later.